benefits of Tinospora Cordifolia or the Makabuhay plant. Makabuhay, a common Filipino name which means to give life, also known as Tinospora Cordifolia. Makabuhay plant is a medicinal herb that grows in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia. It has heart-shaped leaves, yellow flowers, and red fruits. It is also known as Gaduchi, heavenly elixir, or divine nectar in Ayurveda, a traditional system of medicine in India. Now, let's get down on the list of Makabuhay plant's health and benefits. Makabuhay has a hepatoprotective effect. This means it can be a natural form of treatment for fatty liver. It prevents the scarring of the liver and can even promote the regeneration of new liver tissue. This plant can also be used to relieve fever. It is even used to aid in treating fever caused by malaria. The Makabuhay has been seen to have diuretic effects. It helps in removing excess water from your body, which is great for relieving edema. One of the amazing benefits of the Makabuhay plant is it can be consumed to improve body's immune system. This plant helps the overall health by preventing the body from getting sick from coughs, gastrointestinal problems, and other health issues. The Makabuhay plant may also help deal with scabies. What you have to do is grind the Makabuhay vines to extract its juice. Then apply it to the affected part of the skin with severe itchiness or pimple-like rash. The plant may also be your natural remedy when you're suffering from bronchitis or chronic cough. Besides its immune-boosting effects, it also fights the infection in your mucous membrane. There are studies that will tell you that Makabuhay is good for treating upper respiratory tract infections. Makabuhay plant has antiseptic properties. It can prevent infections. To do this, wash the wounds with warm water from boiling the Makabuhay plant. Another way is to pound the Makabuhay vine and soak it in coconut oil. Then use this as an application ointment to the wounds. Researchers observed that this plant has similar effects compared to calming drugs that are used for anxiety problems. It's also been seen to improve cognitive functions and memory. If you're also suffering from arthritis and rheumatism, you can also use Makabuhay plant. The procedure is to make an ointment out of this plant by pounding its vines and soaking it first in coconut oil. Then, apply it on the affected joint to feel relief from pain and swelling. This can be attributed to Makabuhay plant having the anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking infused water from Makabuhay vines can help treat your stomach ulcer issues. Also, by consuming it regularly, it can ultimately be beneficial in improving your blood circulation. Because of Makabuhay's antioxidant contents and anti-inflammatory properties, it can help slow down body aging. The plant protects the body from premature aging caused by oxidative stress. Makabuhay can also be a natural treatment for an athlete's foot. What you have to do is to use the ointment made from coconut oil and pounded Makabuhay vine and apply it on the affected part. You may need to regularly and consistently do this to remove all the affected parts of your feet. Another skin problem that Makabuhay plant can help with is eczema and psoriasis. Either consume it by drinking Makabuhay tea or infused water or applying an ointment or poultice made from Makabuhay plant. One of the most notable benefits of Makabuhay plant is its ability to help with diabetes management. According to Ayurveda, Makabuhay has been used to treat diabetes for centuries. It is considered as a natural anti-diabetic agent. There are studies conducted on animals that showed this plant to help in lowering blood glucose levels and improving glucose tolerance. Makabuhay plant can also prevent the complications of diabetes, such as kidney damage, nerve damage, and eye problems, by protecting the organs from oxidative stress. However, Makabuhay plant also has some side effects and precautions, such as it can cause low blood pressure, low blood sugar, and irregular heartbeat if taken in excess or by people with heart problems, diabetes, or hypertension. It can interfere with the absorption of some drugs, such as antibiotics, anticoagulants, and immunosuppressants. It can be toxic to the liver and kidneys if taken for a long time or in high doses. It can be harmful to pregnant women, children under 3 years old, and people with typhoid fever or pneumonia. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a doctor before using Makabuhay plant as a herbal remedy and to follow the proper dosage and preparation methods. If you want to grow your own Makabuhay plant, you will need to find a stem cutting that contains a bitter sap. You can plant the stem in any soil that has enough moisture, and it will grow into a vine that can climb up to 15 meters long. You can also propagate the plant by layering, which means bending a stem to the ground and covering it with soil until it develops roots. Makabuhay plants can grow in tropical areas, and it is abundant in the Philippines. It can survive in partial shade or full sun, and it does not need much fertilizer or pruning. However, you should protect the plant from frost or cold weather, as it may damage the leaves and stems. I hope you found this video informative and valuable. If you learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Thank you for watching.